yay, the combine. I did not think I was going to be in today. Because the farmer said...
You weren't like, oh yay, the combine. You were like, the combine, the combine, the combine.
Yeah, I'll be recording half of the harvest. Okay.
I thought that was a bird for a second.
That is a bird.
A huge butterfly is not a bird.
Oh.
There it is. It was like,
That's a tractor.
you're a tractor.
If I was a tractor, then I'd know like 10 times the size I am now.
Million times the size.
Now, this combine is 30 years old instead of 40. I know, I've already said that, haven't I?
What the combine did to this.
Oh.
Almost a full lap.
Now, next year, the combine will be a different one. It won't be a top liner, it'll be a class. Here she comes. Okay, that's one time zoom. Brother, step back a small bit. If you're wondering why I'm calling you brother, it's because I don't want to say your real name on YouTube.
My real name is Spaghetti Man.
My real name is Banana Man 520. His name is Spaghetti Man. But just call me Nad Nad and call him Nad Nad's brother, I guess.
Call me the coolest person on
No. Subscribe to Nad Nad if you're cool. But you won't be as cool as Nad Nad. Also subscribe to Nad Nad Gaming as well.
Yeah.
Also,
Or else that'll be tarantula one day.
And then they'll bite you. They'll bite your harmless.
tarantulas' bites are actually kind of harmless. That
They do
barley's
nothing
wrong.
to you. They're basically harmless.
Except they do a small bit to you. Not
They just give you a
anything
little cut.
dangerous. Yeah, a little cut pretty much.
They're not.
And they don't bite unless they're provoked, which means angered by a human. Okay.
Or by a wasp that wants to eat them.
Honestly, I was not expecting this video to be today, guys.
It's got hair.
What?
The barley hairs are all stuck to it.
Oh yeah, that was from the last field from earlier on. Okay, this is gonna get loud, so I'm not gonna bother talking.
And there's no point really.
And you won't want to talking either. Oh, the guards are here. The guards are here. Oh my god. I've never seen the guards